You know, flipping is a very entertaining sport. It's a very entertaining art, but it's also a very misunderstood art. Sometimes people associate that with martial arts. Sometimes people associate that with just kind of a violent aspect of it, like getting cut. But when people really get to learn what you're trying to do and that there's actual sport and a competitive and an innovative aspect to flipping, they warm up to it. I respect it a ton. I think it's very vital. History and foundation is extremely important in any kind of sport, in any kind of culture or art. So I feel it plays a tremendous role. Because the other, I guess, story or history that I hear about in regard to the Balisong is that it was French and used so people, fishermen could use it. But that's like a purely application-driven purpose for a Balisong, whereas the Philippines is like pure culture. It's about style. It's about function and flash and speed and coordination. Much of which relates to what we do as flippers and Balisong manipulators. So I think it's tremendous to know where the origins come from, and really it might be historically how people flip, but again, even today there's people who mimic that style and they win. Like, they're really respected. That style is still a tremendously respected style in flipping even today.
Some guy open like this. But for me, you can open it fast also at the open eye. My name is Justado Reyes Ona. My business is selling balisongs and customized trees.
The balisong is symbolic of Batanggenyo bravery and Filipino craftsmanship.
Here in the Philippines, particularly in Taal, in Barangay Balisong, it was the Batanggenyos who perfected this craft and pioneered the Balisong industry.
Molde, na-scrap ng molde, gagawin sa Balisong.
This road is national road going to Taal Rubber. There's a lot of story here. Tourists are buying this balisong as a souvenir.
It is a livelihood that has been handed down from the many, many generations.
There are different kinds of paint. This is the traditional 12-12. Paint in web in Westare. Buwi tayo, tanto. And then these are Rambo paint. It's called Rambo because after the film of Sylvester Stallone.
I am President of the Stunt Federation of the Philippines. Ginagamit namin ito sa pelikula. Example, sa eksena, 45 versus Balisong. Sa Batangas, ginawa ito sa Barangay Balisong.
Balisong industry is slowly dwindling.
The second generation have no intention of making this Balisong. It will be dying in the near future.
Because of modernization, technology, cell phones, computers, internet, nobody wants to inherit and do the same thing as their ancestors did.
Ulihan ka nito ng Balisong, talagang parurusahan ka dahil bawal magdala.
You take pride of being able to acquire one distinct product of the Filipino identity. Balisong would have to be symbolic of such.
This province and this town is too noble, too historical. We cannot just let this Batangueño symbol disappear.